How you doing, folks? Trying to do another painting, so let's see what we can do. Alright, let's see what happens, I guess. Here we go. Alright. Folks down and we'll have a quick look, eh? So we used 4 colours today. We used gold, rose gold, bronze and copper. So that'll have a nice metallic shiny finish to it eventually. But I thought I do neons all the time, like bright neon colours. Thought something a little different. This is on a 36 by 48 inch canvas again too, so it's a rather large painting. But yeah, kind of like working with that metallic paint. It's a lot of fun. We'll see what this looks like once it's dried though. Should be interesting. Something different. Let's zoom in a little here. Got some pretty good mixing going on. Looks like the other colours have dominated the gold anyway. I think the rose gold, what is that? I don't know. Rose gold, or is it one of the copper, or I don't know. I don't know anything. I don't even know what I'm doing. So there we have it, folks. Some more spinning, spirally silliness. Just wanted to say, as always, thank you very much for stopping by and checking out the weirdness. Always appreciate it. And oh, even the crows saying hello. As I was saying, just wanted to say thanks for stopping by and checking out the weirdness, as always, and see you next time.